Hello everyone, welcome to the project that shows you how you can create a complete, fully responsive, multi-page educational website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. In the first video, we have just created the homepage of this fully responsible multi-page educational website. So, if you didn't see that video, I put the video link inside this video description. So, go ahead and watch that video first before directly jump right into this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can create the course page of this fully responsive multi-page educational website just like this one. As you can see here we have the course page of this responsible multi-page educational website right here. You see, here we have a beautiful course page. Alright, having this, now let's jump right into the design part. Oh yeah, wait a second. If you are new here, consider subscribing and press the notification bell icon. With that being said, let's jump right into the video. So over here, inside index.html document right here, what we are going to do is come over here for the header section. Here we have, so for the course navigation menu, the href value should be course.html. This means that means if I click the course navigation menu, it redirects you to the course page of this responsible multi-page educational website. The same to the About Us page, the blog page, the contact page, and the login page of this responsible website, right? So, don't worry, in the coming episode, we are going to create these pages, right? So, as you can see here, when I click this course navigation menu, it redirects to the course page of this responsible multi-page educational website. So, here we have cannot get error is occurred since this course page is not created, right? So this error is occurred. Alright, now in this video we are going to create the course page of this responsible website. So to do this, inside the same folder right here, we are going to create course.html document right here. So now what we are going to do is copy every code which is found inside index.html document right here and paste it to the course.html document, right? So copy this and then paste right here. After that, what we are going to do is remove unnecessary sections. So when I save and refresh, here we have the course.html link right here. You see? Alright. Now, like I said before, what we are going to do is we are going to remove unnecessary sections right here. First, let me collapse and then now remove this course section. It's not necessary. Remove this chooser section and remove this recommend section, as well as remove this remove this sweeper.js section right here. Now remove this comment again. Remove this value ID. It's not necessary. Alright, when I refresh the web page, here we have the course page. Alright. This is the course page that we are going to design right now in this video. You see, as you can see here, we have 4 columns right here. We have popular courses, the latest course, and also we have course categories right here. So to create this course page, first what we are going to do is, when I click this home navigation menu, it redirects you to the home page of the website. That's why the home page of the website is index.html, right? That's why the value for the href attribute right here is index.html. So when I click the home navigation menu, it redirects you to the home page of the website, right? That's why we say href index.html. So now over here, what we are going to do is, we are going to create the header of this the header part of this course page, right? So as always, let me add a comment over here, and then over here we are going to create the section element right here, having a class name. Let me say course hero section. You can assign any name that you interested in. It's up to you, right? After that, inside this section element, we are going to nest a div element having a class name hero header hero underscore text. Inside this, we have an href element. Inside this href element again, we have a span element right here. And now we are going to add a text right here, courses. After that, down here, we need to have a span element right here and having some texts right here, some hero texts right here. Smart Teach University courses. So when I save and refresh the web page, here we have, right? So over here, it's better to remove this course section. For the time being, it's not necessary, right? Alright. Oh yeah, this is the course page. So here we have Smart Teach University courses. So now what we are going to do is, we are going to style this course header, right? As always, let me add a comment right here. So using this class selector course hero section, we are going to add a background image having a linear gradient, right? So copy this class selector, and then we are going to add background image. So here we have, copy this and then paste right here. So here we have a background image having linear gradient. And now here we have the URL of the image or the image destination, right? The image directory is the image found inside CSS folder, which is found the image found inside image folder, which is found inside CSS folder, right? So the width for this image 100% and background size cover. After that, height 100 viewport height. So this header section should looks like this, right? When I save and refresh, here we have, right? Oh yeah. Now again, background position minus 10%, so it drags to the top, right? Here we have, you see? So now what we are going to do is we are going to decrease this height. So let me say min height 55 viewport height. That's it. It's awesome, right? After that, over here, we are going to make this background image fixed. First, background repeat, no repeat, and to make this background image in its fixed position, we are going to use this background attachment fixed. When I scroll down, right here, the image is now at its fixed position. That's cool, right? Now we are going to align these items, these texts right here. So to do this, we have this class name right here, header hero text. So now we are going to make the alignment in its position, right? So position absolute top 40% left, let me say 20%. So if the position for the child element absolute, the position for the parent element should, in this case, the parent element is this section element having class name course section right here. So when I save and refresh, here we have the text right here. So now what we are going to do is we are going to add some property value pair, right? Over here, transform, we are going to translate 8 to the left by minus 50%. That's why here we have. Now background color, let me use this RGB color code, and so 56 1 and 56. So here we have the background color. So now over here, let me add the color for the text right here. So color, we have this color, and then when I save and refresh, here we have. Alright, now let me add some padding. So padding 3 rem from top and bottom and 2 rem from left and right. 1 rem. Over here it is 1 rem, right? 1 rem from top and bottom. So now we are going to target this H3 element and span element right here. So using this class selector span, now we are going to add the font size. So font size 2.5 rem, which is 2.5 times the global font size that we have set inside the HTML in the body element selector, right? So again, now copy this, and then first let me save and refresh. Here we have. Alright, now paste right here, and then we are going to target this H3 element. Then color, let me use this color. So here we have the vertical line. So copy this again, and then over here paste right here, and now remove this. After that, padding, we are going to add padding bottom, since we need more space, 20 pixel, and then over here text transform capitalize. After that, when I save and refresh, here we have. Now over here, let me increase the font size for this H3 element. So font size 2.5 rem. Now over here, let me decrease the font size for this span element, the text which is surrounded inside the span element. So here is it. Oh yeah. Over here, text transform uppercase. So here we have. Oh yeah, that's it. So congratulations, we have just finished the first section of the course page, right? Now we are going to create the second section of this course page. As always, let me add a comment right here. And now we are going to create a section element having an ID value course right here. So when I click the course navigation menu, it redirects to the course section, right? Since the value for the ID attribute and the value for the href attribute is the same, which is course. Over here, we are going to add a class name right here. Let me say SmartTeach course container. Inside this section element, we are going to create a div element having class name course left column. Since we have two main columns, the first column is the left column and the second column is the right column. So here we have the left column which contains these courses, and here we have the right column which contains the category section right here. So here we have the left column which contains these courses, and here we have the right column, right? So this is the main column, right? Again, inside this left column we have three columns, right? So for this, over here, come over index.html document and copy this whole section, right? Copy the div element having class name course container. So here we have, right? Here is the first row. Now we are going to remove unnecessary sections. So over here, let me change the course banner and the course title. Alright, again change right here. So here we have the feature courses which is nested inside the course container. So copy this and paste right here. Now change the course title right here. You can say whatever you want, right? It's up to you, right? The ultimate MongoDB course so again collapse it, and now add one more feature courses, change this course title and change the instructor name right here. So when I save and refresh, here we have, as you can see here, all courses are found on the same row. So even if there is no space. So to compensate, to avoid this problem, come over here and add another CSS property which is flex wrap. So flex wrap. So if there is no extra space, this makes to start on new line, right? This property makes it to start on new line, right? So when I save and refresh, here we have. Alright, here we have different ways. So using this class selector to style this, using this class selector, which is SmartTeach course container, let me add some property value pair. So display flex, align items, flex start, justify content, space between course left column and course right column is wrapped inside this smart teach course container. So copy this course right column, and for this again width, we need the width for this 30%. It's better to say 25%, right? After that, when I save and refresh, as you can see here we have all the courses right here, and here we have the place for the latest course, the popular course, as well as the categories. So that's beautiful. Here we have the left column, and here we have the right column. The right column, for the time being, the right column is empty. No matter we will add it in the future. So copy this again and paste right here. Since we need more courses, right? Now what we are going to do is we are going to change the course title and the course banner or the course thumbnail, right? As well as you can change the course price, the instructor name, and the course rating, whatever you want. It's up to you, right? But everything is similar. The class name is similar, the elements are also similar, right? After that, when I save and refresh the web page, so when I save and refresh the web page, here we have, right? We have just added too many courses right here. You see? And now what we are going to do is we are going to copy this page scrolling and then come over here. It's better to paste right here. Oh, it's better to paste right here inside the course left column, right? That's it. So when I save and refresh, here we have. It's beautiful, right? Yup, you heard? We have just completed the course left column. So now what we are going to do is we are going to create the course right column, right? So when I click this course, it redirects you to the course section since, like I said before, the value for the href attribute and the value for the ID is the same, which is course, right? So when I click it, it redirects you to the course section of this responsible multi-page educational website right here. Congratulations! Now what we are going to do is we are going to create the right column right here, which is the category section or popular course section and the latest course section, right? Popular courses right here, latest courses right here. So now to create this, what we are going to do is inside this course right column, inside this div element have a class name course right column. We are going to create another div element, let me say, having a class name main course category. As you can see from the website, we have 3 rows. The first row is the course category, the second row is our popular course, and then the third row contains our latest course. So now we are going to create the first row right here, which is the course category. So inside this main course container, we are going to create an input element we are going to create a label field right here, label, and then inside this label we are going to nest an input having a type attribute having a value of checkbox. So input checkbox. Inside this label again, next to input, next to this checkbox, we are going to have a link right here. So to do this, we use this anchor element right here. So here we have the first link is business, and then copy this and paste right here. After that, the second one is, let me say, design. For the design, we have, let me say, we need 4 courses. For the business, we have 10 courses, 10 related courses, and many more. So when I save and refresh, here we have. So now what we are going to do is, I'm not going to waste your time. I've just added it offline, right? So here we have. Here we have the course, our course category, right? Here we have design, here we have health and fitness, here we have marketing, IT and software, personal development, lifestyle, photograph, and video. Let me check the number of related courses. So after that, when I save and refresh the web page, here we have, this is the HTML part. Here we have checkbox right here, and here we have the link right here. Alright, over here we need one more element, which is the H3 element right here. So for this course categories, so now what we are going to do is, we are going to use this main course category, display flex, flex direction, column, padding bottom. Here we have. So when I save and refresh, here is it, right? So here we have display, flex, and flex direction. By default, the flex direction was row, but when we say flex direction column, the element aligns to the column, right? Again, using this H3, let me style this. Here we have. Here are the text which is found inside the H3 element. Again, now let me style this anchor element right here, this link right here. So for this, we have font size 1.2 rem, color we have dark cyan, and save and refresh. Here we go. Yup, it's good. So now let me add a hover over effect right here. For the H3, we are going to add horizontal line. So having a background color dark orange. So the position for the parent element should be relative, right? And bottom 7 pixel, left 0 with 100%. So when I save and refresh, here we have a horizontal line down this course category. So now here we have the course category right here. Oh yeah, now we have just finished the first row. Now again we are going to create the second row, which is our popular courses. As always, let me create the div element having the same class name. In this case, we have main course category, right? So we have h3 element, popular courses, and then inside this, we are going to create a div element having a class name, let me say, popular course, popular course, popular course container, right? Inside this div element have a class name popular course container. We need to have the course banner, the course thumbnail right here. So to do this, we use this image tag right here. And the value for this source attribute is the image directory. This course image is found inside the image folder, right? This image folder is found inside the asset folder. That's why here we have the image directory. Again, down here, we are going to create a div element, have a class name, let me say, about popular courses. So this is a link. After that, when I save and refresh, here we have a big image, and here we have popular courses. So over here, what we are going to do is, using this class selector popular course container, let me add some property value here. So first, let me target the image. So first, here we have popular course container, display flex, align item scene, flex start, justify content, flex start, gap 1.5 rem, padding bottom 25 pixel. After that, we are going to target this image. So here we have width for the image, let me say 40%, right? We have 40%. When I save and refresh, here we have the image right here. You see, it's good. Alright, now let me style this, the title of the project right here. So font size, here we have text transform, capitalize, and color dark slate gray, line height 1.2 rem, then position remove it. So when I save and refresh, here we have. Oh yeah, now over here we are going to target this course price. So course price, font color green, and font weight, here we have 700. After that, when I save and refresh the web page, here we have nice course price, having a beautiful hovering title, right? After that, what we are going to do is we are going to copy this as much as you want, right? Here we have. Now change this class name popular course, popular course container, and also popular course container right here. Here we have popular course container. After that, when I save and refresh the web page, here we have our popular courses. You see, it's beautiful, right? All right. Now collapse it. After that, we are going to create the latest course section, the latest course row right here. So as always, let me create a div element having the same class name, main course category right here. And then inside this, what we are going to do is we are going to copy each and everything right here, and then come over here and paste right here. So from here, what we are going to do is we are going to change the course title as well as the course thumbnail right here. You can also change the course price. So over here, we are going to say latest courses. And now change this course thumbnail right here. Here we have, alright. After that, when I save and refresh, here we have my latest course right here. Beautiful. Alright everyone, congratulations, we have just completed the course page of this responsible multi-page educational website. In the next episode, we are going to create the blog page, the About Us page, the contact page, as well as the login page and also the blog details page. So if this sounds interesting, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell icon to be notified while I upload the videos. If you have any question concerning here, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.